Ever had awesome lists of important things to get done only to find that you get to the end of the week and you haven't even gotten half of what you wanted to get done? It can be easy to create a to-do list, but when you're overwhelmed, creating a not to-do list can be a great strategy to keep you focused on what matters. Rather than lament a week of perceived underachievement, if you list the things you plan to stop doing this week, you might surprise yourself with just how productive you become.